Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Myob accounting software. Myob is a powerful tool designed to help businesses manage their financial transactions, track expenses, and stay on top of their cash flow. To get started, you will need to set up your company file, which includes entering your business details, financial year, and accounting method. First, navigate to the Setup menu and select Company File. Then follow the prompts to enter your business details, including your company name, address, and ABN. Next, set your financial year and accounting method, either cash or accrual. Once you have completed the setup process, you can start entering transactions. To enter a transaction, navigate to the Accounts Command Center and select the type of transaction you want to record, such as a sale or purchase. Fill in the relevant details, including the date, amount, and account code. You can also attach supporting documents, such as invoices or receipts, to the transaction for easy reference. One of the key concepts in Myob is the chart of accounts, which is a list of all the accounts used to record transactions. The chart of accounts is divided into different categories, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. To manage your cash flow, you can use the Cash Flow Forecast Report, which provides a detailed breakdown of your projected income and expenses over a specified period. To generate reports, navigate to the Reports menu and select the type of report you want to generate, such as a balance sheet or profit and loss statement. You can also customize reports to suit your specific needs by selecting the accounts and date range you want to include. Best practices for using Myob include regularly reconciling your accounts to ensure accuracy and detect any discrepancies. You should also regularly back up your company file to prevent loss of data in the event of a system failure. It is also important to stay on top of software updates to ensure you have access to the latest features and security patches. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of Myob accounting software and take control of your business finances. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, Myob is an essential tool for any business looking to streamline their accounting processes and make informed financial decisions.